chasing voices in the rain. Every heartbeat felt like thunder. Every loss became our flame.
But the darkness had its lesson, and it taught us how to see. Now the night is just a canvas for the light we're meant to be.
And I feel it, every breath's a brand new start. We were broken, now we're golden in the dark.
I will light up the sky, burn through the night, where the stars they can't deny. From the ashes we rise, hearts open wide. We're alive. We'll light up the sky. We'll light up the sky. Every tear became a river, every scar a place to grow.
Now the winds of change deliver every dream we used to know.
Don't hide your fire, don't fade away.
Every storm just clears the way.
We were lost, but now we see.
Love's the spark that set us free. Heart will light up the sky, burn through the night, where the stars they can't deny. Through the pain and the fight, we found our light. We're alive. We'll light up the sky. We'll light up the You try to drown my voice in rain, but every drop just spoke my name. The walls you built can't hold my flame. I'm louder now, I'm not ashamed.
You can't quiet what was born to scream. I'm the echo in your sleep and dream. Thunder will find us,
Breaking through the dark, voices collide like lightning in the heart.
we've been silent for too long. Now the world will hear our song. Thunder will find us. We've bled beneath the weight of truth, but pain became our lips.